What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Okay, so this is gonna be a thrift haul. Oh, you noticed my gloves. Why am I wearing them? Well, I want to. Where did I get them? Look at my last video, and they really help me when I'm gaming. Look at that. So beautiful. Oh yes, I forgot. We have a bag. So first off, $1.99. I'm going to cut the letters off. This is just some random jersey. This one, $5.99. If you can't see what I'm holding, this is a camouflage long sleeve shirt. Under Armour. It was made in collaboration with Realtree. You know what? Coming at one of the most expensive items that I've bought at Goodwill before. What the hell kind of sweats are worth $24.99? These are Kith collaboration with Bergdorf Goodman, which I guess is some fancy guy. Kith, that's how Mike Tyson tells his pigeons. Now Kith. So I got these Kith pants. That's cool. This one, $6.99. It's new with tags. And it's probably the best team you could find with the most bandwagon of fans, because they always seem to be winning somehow. So this is a bucket hat with the optional clip-on. Got 15% off of that one with my student discount. So this one was $3.99. And this is going to be a Tesla shirt. Insane mode. Haven't seen that. Their tee. This one is perfect. $3.99. What's that? What is? Oh yeah, that's the Black Mamba. Mr. Cali, Mr. Los Angeles, Kobe Bryant, number 24. This Kobe shirt is actually like one of those reflective ones. A beautiful, I want to say brand new. If they were worn, I mean, they never wore them outside. You see those, how shiny, and of Nike golf shoes. I guess the tag got ripped off. Where is that thing? $13.99, and I got 210 off to $11.89. And as I was leaving, I saw this. I was like reading this while I was getting checked out by ladies, not the cashier. Anyways, I thought it was The Weeknd's. This is The Weeknd's radio station name, but it was actually this. I don't want to say this because I think it's a spell, and I rebuke all spell in the name of Jesus. But yeah, this one actually sells for like hundreds of dollars apparently. So that's a pretty nice fit right here. I got this one for $7.99. Are we filming? So this sweatshirt is from the YouTube channel Unus Annus. It was deleted in 2020.
Because much like death, you can't take it with you.
And all we'll have is the memories that we make along the way.
And the merch.
And I remembered that Memento Mori, which means remember that you have to die, was featured in Mac Miller's self-care video. Oh, this is gonna be another one that I bought to cut out and use these letters. We're gonna get these out of here for now. This one was also half off at $3.50. And wait, before you get too excited, don't believe that it's a official, because one, his hoodies are way nicer quality than this. You love it. You believe it. I just need another minute. Wait, what's the use? Yeah, what's the use? What's the use? Okay, so sorry, I had to figure out what song that was. Mac Miller hoodie that I don't believe is official. Next, this one was $3.99. Purple tags, half off. This was $2. Seems like a good book, but right there. Check this thing out. Spider-Man 2 official strategy guide. Oh man, was this for PS2, I think? It says covers PlayStation 2, Xbox, and Nintendo GameCube. Oh my god. And this is my childhood. So this is a Spider-Man strategy guide, Spider-Man 2. Take me back. It's never coming back. Oh yeah, V for Vendetta. I paid $2.99 for this. This is one of my favorite movies. The movie was made by the people who make The Matrix. That's some food for thought. And it's also, I want to say, a Marvel comic. No, it's a DC comic as well. You see that starter? It's funny what time does, because now everyone's loves starter. Okay, so check this freaking thing out. It's the weirdest shit ever, but this is on purpose. It's a double hood. For what reason? I don't It's warmer, I guess. That's a plus if you're going to be in Minnesota. But for God's sakes, why do we need 2 drawstrings? What the fuck were they smoking back then? But anyways, it's kind of highly sought after in the hoodie community, apparently. Man, I'm freezing up in here. Much better. This is Vintage Starter Minnesota Vikings, made in Korea. That's fucking awesome. Are these all of them? Certainly not. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fucking receipts. Say for example, you buy stuff with the color of the week and stuff that's not the color of the week. They have to ring up the color of the week on a separate transaction. So that explains all the receipts and the fact that I went to 3 different stores. So that's gonna bring our total to $72.34 for everything pictured here. Average out to about $6.02 per item. So that's gonna complete another haul. Thanks so much for your time. Let me know your favorite item that I got down below. Surprisingly, it's gonna be mine. You guys know I love Kobe. I'm gonna go pick up a new habit, Synergy. All right, y'all. Thanks so much for tuning in. I'll see y'all soon.